In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a board to your personal Trello account. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management or simply consolidate your boards, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com to support transfer boards. This page is a treasure trove of support options provided by Trello for users looking to manage their boards efficiently. Once you're on the website, you'll see various options, but our focus today will be on transferring boards to another account. After reaching the support page, direct your attention to the form field available there. You will need to type the username or the email address associated with the Trello account to which you'd like to transfer the boards. It's important to ensure that you have the correct credentials for the account you're transferring to, as any discrepancies could cause delays or errors in the transfer process. Once you've entered the necessary email address or username, proceed by clicking on the Continue button. This action confirms your intent to transfer the boards and takes you to the next part of the process. It's a straightforward continuation, and at this point, Trello's interface guides you naturally through the steps. Next, you will see a list of boards that are eligible for transfer. Here, select the board you wish to import into your personal Trello account. The selection process is crucial because only the boards you choose will be transferred. Make sure you've correctly identified the boards you're managing or working on to be aligned with your project requirements. Following the board selection, there will be an option to click on a checkbox that removes your account from the boards being transferred. This step is particularly useful if you're managing boards across multiple accounts and want to ensure that you're not bogged down with unnecessary notifications or permissions on boards no longer relevant to your current tasks. Once you're satisfied with your selections and any modifications made, the next step is to click on the Transfer Boards button. This command executes the transfer process, effectively relocating the ownership of the chosen boards to the target account. It's a swift process, but patience is key, as the actual time may vary depending on the number of boards and network speed. Finally, after you've initiated the transfer and given it a moment to process, head over to your Trello homepage by navigating to Trello.com and then selecting the Boards option from the menu. Here, you should be able to access all the boards you have successfully imported. This concludes the process of importing a board to your personal Trello account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for organizing your Trello workspace more effectively.